Before we begin scanning, I'd like to briefly explain what the marker tower and marker domes are and why we use them together. The marker tower provides a stable reference structure with fixed geometry that helps the scanner maintain tracking over distance or across surfaces with limited features. Marker domes provide additional positional reference points that help stabilize tracking when scanning smaller objects or narrow geometry. When used together, the marker tower and domes create a stronger tracking environment, especially when scanning objects with height difference, limited geometry, or surfaces that extend beyond the scanner's immediate reference area. Let's begin with our first example by scanning a small object with some vertical structure. Objects like this can sometimes be difficult to track consistently because they don't provide enough surface variation across all sides. This makes it a great situation to use one marker tower together with two marker domes. All right, this concludes today's Rockit Live demonstration using one Umax marker tower with two marker domes. All right, this session helped show you how combining a marker tower with domes can improve tracking performance when scanning small objects with height and when moving across large surfaces such as door panels. The key takeaway is that marker towers and domes are flexible tools that can be applied where needed to improve stability, extend tracking coverage, and support more reliable scanning results. If you have any questions about the Rockit, marker tower or dome configuration, or selecting the right setup for your workflow, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team at info@umax.com. All right, if you're looking for your own scanner, software, accessories, or if you'd like to schedule a free demo to understand how 3D scanning can improve your workflow, visit us at umax.com for all your scanning needs. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Steven with Umax, and I'll see you in the next one.